Sawal Kar students, my name is Arwa and this is for BSc Pre-Nursing Physics Exams questions 2018 question paper. I'm solving it for you, and if you have any queries do let me know. I'll drop my email address in the description box, so any type of question you can ask. Okay, I'll love to help you. Okay, so question first is unit of magnetic flux. Which of the following options are correct? Okay, I have already solved it, but again I am solving it for you, don't worry. So the question says unit of magnetic flux and which options are correct, whether it is Weber per meter, Joule, Coulomb per meter, Newton meter per ampere or Tesla. So let's try to solve it. Okay, so students, they have asked about magnetic flux. Okay, magnetic flux is B dot A. Okay, B dot A. What is phi B? Phi B is the magnetic flux. What is B? B is a magnetic field, and the S unit is Tesla. Unit is Tesla. We use unit Tesla, and A is the area. And we take unit as meter square. SI unit is meter square. Okay, so fine. So they wanted to know this. What is magnetic flux unit? As we have our four options. Okay, we have four options. Okay, Tesla is there, but Tesla meter square is not there. So let's check out. So B is in terms of Tesla, as I already told you, Tesla unit, and A is the meter square. But student, this is the magnetic flux. But do we have such a type of option that is Tesla into meter square? No, Tesla is there, not meter square. So it means what we have to do, we have to convert this Tesla in other SI units. Okay, so we know that Lorentz force Lorentz force is equals to current multiplied by magnetic field multiplied by length. So what is the SI unit of current is ampere into what is B? B is the magnetic field. Magnetic field is Tesla. Okay, into length. Length will be meters. Okay, and what is the SI unit of force is Newton. So can I write Newton upon ampere into meter? I put all the things in the denominator, and this is equals to Tesla. So Tesla, we convert Tesla in terms of other SI unit because we don't have option Tesla into meter square. Okay, so students, phi B is equals to, can I put over here, that is Newton ampere into meter multiplied by meter square. Meter square is already here. I just have put Tesla unit. Okay, in terms of Newton ampere per meter. Students, 1 meter cancels out. So Newton into meter, that is Newton into meter. This is divide. So when that is, can I write ampere per ampere? Okay, so can we check the options? That is Newton meter per ampere. Okay, so this is how option B is correct. Okay, now students, second question is the physical quantity denoted by mass into pressure divided by density. Which of the physical quantity, force, work, momentum, angular momentum, which option is correct for this physical quantity? Okay, so let's solve it. Question number 2, they have given mass into pressure. Can I check once more? Mass into pressure divided by density. They wanted to know which physical quantity. Options they have given. So okay, mass means mass, put it like this. Okay, what is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area, correct, divided by this whole thing divided by density. Okay, mass into pressure is force per unit area, divide by density. Okay, so students, again, mass into force upon area. What is density? Divided by density. Density is equals to mass upon volume, correct? So this is again mass, this is my mass, this is my mass, sorry, this is my mass, this is my mass into force upon area. If you change divide sign into multiply, what you will get? You will get volume volume on top and mass at the bottom. Because when you change divide to multiply, this thing reverse. Okay. So students, mass into force upon area multiply by volume. Can I write volume as area into length? Can I write? Okay, what is volume? If you have a block, okay, what is volume? This is length into breadth and into height. Length, breadth and height. If this is height, length, breadth and height. Look, so this is our area. So area multiply by one more length. So area into length. If you don't understand this, one more thing I can tell you. What is volume unit? Volume is meter cube. Volume is meter cube. So what is meter cube? Look, students, one more time. Okay, volume is equals to meter cube. What do you mean by meter cube? Meter cube means, can you write meter square into meter? So what is meter square? Meter square is nothing but your area. So can I write area into meter is length? Okay, can I write area into length? So I have written here over here area into length divided by mass. Mass to mass cancels out, area to area cancel out. So we are left with force, here is force into length. And all of you know that force into displacement or length is nothing but force into length is a famous equation of work done. Work done is force into displacement. So correct option is work. Okay. Let's move towards the question third, which is says they have given this type of expression and they wanted to know the velocity at time t. I have not put up the 4 options. Okay. Sorry for that. But I will directly let you know the solution. So velocity, what is velocity? Velocity is equals to ds by dt, that is displacement upon time. And what is displacement over here? Look carefully. Displacement is equals to 1 by 2 gt square. Displacement is equals to 1 by 2 gt square. 1 minute. Displacement equals to 1 by 2 gt square. That is, now you have to differentiate it. So students, already this is constant and g is the acceleration due to gravity, which is also constant. And if you differentiate this time, so you will have 2t. You have to 2 comes out and you will left with t only, 2t, right? So 2 cancel. So velocity is equals to g into t. So this is the correct option. Okay students, now question number 4. What is the numerical value of vector this? This was again a question, but options were there, but I have not written it. So just have a faith in me that I am doing it right, and you can check it also. So students, what is the numerical value of vector this? Look, this is a vector. They want value. As you know, if you want to find out the value, or you can say it is a magnitude, you just have to do one thing, that is you have to square it. Square and magnitude of it. You have to take a square of this, and of this. Okay, so 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square and under root. So in this way you can find the value of this vector. Any vector, the magnitude of any vector can be found out only by this method. Okay, so what is this? This is 9 plus 16 plus 25. 5 5s are 25. That is equals to under root 25 plus 25. Or can I, students, write it like this, that 2 into 25? Look, this gives me 50, and 50 can be written as 2 into 25. It is again 50. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? I can take out under root 2, and this under root of 25 is 5. So answer is 5 under root 2. Okay. Now students, next and last question for this video. And I will upload more and more questions as soon as possible, so don't worry. The method of dimensional analysis can be used to drive which of the following relationship? The method of dimensional analysis. Students, dimension analysis only gives you idea about units, dimensions, that is MLT form or kg, meter, SI units, but they doesn't give any information about the constants. For example, if you multiply m into v square, you will get a momentum, and this is all. But dimension analysis doesn't say that half of mv square plus half of omega square, this is again a formula. No. You'd never have constants value. Half dimension, and from dimension analysis you will never get a constant half. Like here we have a constant no, like here we have a constant a. We only get the information about units, not a constant. Constant means number. We never get a information about any number, like 2, half, that is like this. No is again a number, a is again a number, so we never get a information about this. Okay, for to measure this parameter we have other methods, but not with the dimension analysis. So correct option is none of the above. So hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Maybe they want it and they cannot afford the coaching classes. So please share more my video and subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.